Have you ever heard of the expression, work smarter, not harder? And no matter how you feel about AI, there's a lot of places for it in real estate, especially if you're like me and you're not creative and words are not your friend. Not all of you know this about me, but both my parents are immigrants and my written English is broken. It's really bad. So I love to use AI to help me write things that are more meaningful and actually get the point across better. Kind of like I like to talk, I like to write, and sometimes there's too many words. And so I highly suggest if you're struggling to do listing descriptions that you can use a platform like ChatGPT or another AI platform. Sometimes they're built into certain programs. We have a program called the Creative Studio, and there's an AI platform built in that helps you write things. But also if you're trying to be better about posting on social media and you don't know what kind of like descriptions to put under it, it can help you do that. Now it takes some practice, right? You can't just be like, write this. Sometimes it comes out weird and awkward, so you can ask it to rewrite it. And the more direction you can give it, the better. What's kind of neat, which I just learned, is that you can introduce yourself. So you can say like, hi, my name is Tanya Kazmini and I am a realtor in Northeast Florida. And I need you to help me write a listing description for a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home on Ponte Vedra Beach Boulevard on the ocean. And it'll write you stuff. And then you can say, hey, it also has quartzite countertops, and you can get more specific and it'll keep refining it for you over and over and over again, which is really, really neat and I think really helpful. I still sometimes make some adjustments after. I usually throw them into Word and change them around a little bit. But if you've never done it, I highly suggest you start. Again, it takes some practice. Don't get frustrated. I got really mad about it in the beginning and kind of gave up, and then watch some YouTube videos like this on how to utilize it. It really, really helps. So if you're looking to integrate some AI into your business and don't know how, I'd love to hear from you.